Kabosco Integrated Development Society kabri kawai na kaseng Tremon Sungha jang kabalang Catholic kelapan ha perdana ya ka open to all basketball tournament kabalapan long hamadan lekai jang ka Sacred Heart Theological College da ka jing lekai final hapdeng ka Monarch Persha ya ka athletic space hagring singila wan man ha perda ya ka ni ka tournament do Father CM Jos ubri page ya ka Sacred Heart Theological College kum kongsan Haringkat kejingan dalang pada Cyril Turki beri Assistant Executive Director ka BIDS bat Jingtrei jangka BIDS. Kongsan haba Jingtrei nulai kejingero ya ka BIDS ka ba lingba kani ka tournament kalala bania ya ka mission kum kawai na ka Jingtrei mon sengba jangka balang. Ulong kini ki program ila ru ban play lat plenti ya ki kon samla ha ka yok kam yok jam bat kumju ban lat na kino ki jing sniu kum no drugs bat ka jingdi penbuat. Ha ka final ka Monarch Kala job ya ka athletic space da nyop khandai la nyopo.
I'm so happy to be here with you this afternoon for this concluding session that you are having with the final match and all other connected events that are there. We are also very privileged to host this here in this sense, means at least to give the venue for it, because as you were just saying, this is not just for fun that you are doing it. You are doing it for a very wonderful purpose, to be able to reach out and help our young people, and that is something so beautiful, and we feel so happy that we are privileged at least to make this space available to you for this program, and I hope you found it convenient and good for you while you are here. I just want to switch there. Okay. Can you hear me even without this? Okay. I would also like to say a word of appreciation and welcome to the two teams that are playing here. Your names are, I say, Monarchs, Bajo, that means you're kings, no? Rulers, and the other one, Athlete Space. We need to make a lot of space for athletics also in our life, and you are the guys who are representing that kind of a space in your life and in society, and wonderful. I'm sure we will be witnessing a great match between the two of you. I just want to leave one thought. We are coming close to Christmas, and it's written there, champions. Who are champions? Champions are people who have got a very clear vision and who will give their all in order to realize that vision. They will have perseverance in what they do. They will have the courage to face whatever difficulties that come in the way. They will have a great sense of discipline. And finally, they will have a great spirit of joy in everything that they do.
All right, give him a big round of applause. The chair for you.